Hey barbecue family! Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode on our channel. I'm Maddie and this is Kiki and we are Canada's favorite female grill masters.
And every week we teach you how to build a barbecue out of anything you can find lying around your house or things you can find at your local hardware store.
Today we are making smash burgers, everybody's favorite burger, and the reason why we're making them is because I just really had a huge craving for them. This grill is going to be super simple, super quick because we got to just get right to cooking, okay?
We're going to put some mushrooms on top, some Swiss cheese. It is going to be ooey gooey and fantastic. Honey, are you ready for this?
Let's do this.
Yes. This is a super simple little build that only consists of these simple little bricks and this sturdy flat top.
So we found this flat top on sale at our local hardware store. It was on sale for $40, but it typically runs around $100. The entire build is going to be built around this thing, so that we're gonna make our barbecue basically the dimensions of this flat top. Let's get started.
Oh! This is me. This is me.
It rolled down.
The total amount of bricks we use for this grill is 17. We've got a solid layer on the bottom to hold the charcoal, and you'll notice we've built up the sides with one layer of brick to contain everything.
We're gonna dump the charcoal inside, get this on, start heating up so we can get to those smash burgers.
Yeah! Our grill's fired up and we're ready to get started on these mushroom and Swiss smash burgers. So we got to start with the mushrooms and the onions. We've got a little bit of oil. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle. That's smelling incredible already. And all we're gonna add is just some salt and pepper. All right, guys, I kind of feel like one of those teppanyaki chefs right now. Honey, I'm gonna flip you a mushroom. Are you ready?
Oh, I don't know if I can catch it. Oh, I got it.
Our mushrooms and onions have some nice color on them. They're smelling incredible. And we're gonna take these off to make room for our smash burgers. We could leave them on and move them to one side, but this unit's a little bit tiny and we want as much surface area for our smash burgers as possible to make them nice and thin and crunchy.
Okay, I still can't get over the fact that this grill has some serious power to it and heated up quickly. The onions smell fantastic. Now we have to get our burgers on. Here we go. So for these smash burgers, we haven't seasoned any part of the meat. That's just straight up pure ground beef. So we're just gonna lightly season these with some 50-50 salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Okay, so some of you guys might be looking at this. Anyone who's familiar with smash burgers are looking at this and being like, yep, Maddie and Kiki are using the proper technique. But if you're not used to this technique, this is the only time in barbecue history where it's okay to press down on the meat that you're grilling.
I just gotta say, you're in the middle of like a burger fog right now. I can barely see your face because it's just like burger fumes.
I'm still here, guys! It smells so good. Now the key to a great smash burger is to smash it down, let it caramelize on the outside. Smash it down again and let it continue to caramelize on the outside. Just like this. Yeah, I can tell by the smell, I feel like we are at optimal caramelization. Let's give them a flip and see if I'm right. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, now don't forget to salt and pepper the outside on that side. Okay, so you can't have smash burgers without having some delicious cheese. Today we're using Swiss. It's gonna pair perfectly with our mushrooms and caramelized onions. You almost forgot the best part, the bacon. This is about the glory shot. We're taking one patty and putting it right on top of the other patty. Oh my goodness, yes. Right, time to plate up.
Oh man, that looks fantastic.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I'm very in shock right now. I would have never guessed that a pile of bricks and a little flat top griddle could make this delicious barbecue work of art.
I feel like this is going to be one that we are going to be revisiting so many times over, but the true test is, how is this thing going to taste? Got a nice crust on it. I'm pleased with that so far. We've just got some simple barbecue mayo on the top of this thing. Honey, open wide, because here it comes.
I think we can all guess that this is gonna be good. Okay,
Okay.
you can see the caramelization on that. Okay, sorry, I gotta be quiet.
Mushroom Swiss coming at ya.
Oh my goodness.
Is that so good? That looks, okay, the crust on that is like, that looks absolutely spectacular.
Now that is a burger. It's salty, but it's still beefy. There's not a whole lot of seasoning going on because we just did the salt and pepper, but you want that beef flavor to shine. You want the bacon to shine. I'm gonna go in again, honey. I'm gonna get some of that barbecue mayo.
Yeah, I can't stand when you see people adding a whole bunch of weird stuff to burgers. In our opinion, a burger should just be salt and pepper. Why are you putting in the things that you put in a meatball?
Keep the onions on the top of the burger, not on the inside of the burger.
You can't go wrong with a mushroom Swiss combination. That is a match made in heaven. This thing is smelling fantastic.
Give this to me.
Oh, good heavens. I'm so pleased with the amount of brown color we got on those mushrooms and onions from this little flat top. This thing is incredible.
I can't stop looking at it.
Because it's like that crust.
This really does taste so good.
You smell like beef and cheese.
It makes me feel like dancing.
Yeah,
I'm touching my feet.
I call this a burger shake. Oh, that's so good. Finish yours in your mouth, so I'm taking you down there.
No, you're not.
Yes. Ah!
Yes, victory is mine.
That was like the most ginger tackle ever.
You want some more? You want some more?
This is you. Yeah, give it one of these. Give it one of those.